Hi, my name's Sam Chappell from Nashville, Tennessee. I've been in Christian music for over 30 years. And during that time, I've worked as a manager, I've worked as a president of a couple labels. And in the process, a lot of my emphasis has been in worship music. And in worship music, it's a little bit different when you have recording artists there. I'm a real believer that the local church is the influencer that assists, equips. The book of Ephesians talks about equipping of saints for the work of the service. And I believe that happens in the local church. So as we raise up our worship leaders, even raise up our Christian artists, I am a real believer that the local church is the government that God designed to equip our minstrels, our musicians, our artists to function inside the body of Christ. And without the local church, we are not properly equipped to do the things that we are called to do as Christian artists, musicians, and worship leaders. So I believe the local church creates the presence, the culture, the government, where an artist flourishes. They're influenced by songs. I've had a number of artists that have written songs that was inspired by a Sunday morning sermon. I've had a number of recording artists that began at the local church just singing solos at their local church. So, plus I believe it's a safe haven. I believe it's a way that God designed artists to be nurtured and fed and taken care of by the body of Christ. Now that doesn't take away the function of a label. If an artist is signed to a label outside the church, the church still plays a critical function. And I'm a real believer unless a recording artist or writer has a viable, active relationship with the local church, I'm not interested in signing them, because I know the government of God works well, and it was designed to work that way. And without that, you don't have a fail-safe system that a local church provides.